Democratic, it means that that leader, if that leader is democratic, exercising democracy, he gives freedom to people. So it means that he will ask people about their opinion, okay? He does not decide, or she does not decide for the team. She asks them, let's say, she will be asking Liz, she will be asking Swan, she'll be asking Hing, she'll be asking Rosie about their opinion. Okay, so if they are making decisions, then she is ready to check, to validate if those opinions are commendable and can be used for the company's problem, okay, or company's plan, if it can be inserted. Another thing is a leader must be transformational. So a leader is not scared of change. That leader is always ready for change. Okay, transformational. So he can, as I mentioned earlier, as this cup is pink, reddish pink, in creativity, that leader will make it more beautiful. So transformational, that leader is not scared of taking a step to make this more beautiful, this cup more beautiful. Got it? So the last one there is laissez-faire. So